Friday. I took the day off. Last night I was working on the little John boat. Got some pole holders on there. Got a depth finder hooked up. Got the engine mounted through the week. I changed a little bit of the electrical. So today we're gonna test out the engine and see if we can catch some crappies or bluegill or catch something. Right now it's very quiet. There was only one other guy here. There's only one other truck up at the parking spot, so it could be a very quiet morning, which I enjoy those. Not much wind. It's a little cooler. So nothing else. Pretty much have a lake myself. Well, I've been trying about everything. I've had jigs, little spinners, crankbait. Now I'm trying a jig on a bobber, try and keep it at the right depth. And I went to the old worm on a hook in a bobber. I'm marking fish. Now there's several fish. I don't know if you can see that or not. Anywhere from 5 to 10 feet. So it's a little windy. The John boat's a lot harder than the big boat to keep steady in the right direction. But just not having any luck. Might have to find a quiet spot and just try to concentrate on bluegill. Well, the little boat engine's running pretty good. Can't say it's real fast, but it's a no-wake lake. I've probably already got a wake, but it's running good. It starts on the first pull. To go back to doing things the old-fashioned way. Hook and bobber. Tie up to an old dead tree. I don't think I'm gonna need a net, but oh, he's a nice one. Look at that guy. Look at him. That is a very nice bluegill. Look at that guy. Very nice. Just a little guy. Let him get bigger. Finally, a couple of them. Look at this. Ah, that one got off. There we go. I'm using a 12-foot pole, so sometimes a little tougher getting them in. Swing them right in the boat. This one's a little better. Went just a touch deeper, and I think it's helping get away from the little ones.